Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Rinse and dry the sink after each use to prevent water spots. Use mild dish soap and a soft cloth, not steel wool. Wipe in the direction of the grain to avoid fine scratches. Clean once daily by removing food debris and rinsing with warm water. Avoid leaving acidic foods or salty residue on the surface for long periods. Dry thoroughly with a microfiber cloth to maintain shine and reduce mineral buildup over time. For stains, apply a baking soda paste and scrub gently with a soft brush. Rinse thoroughly and dry to inspect for remaining marks or discoloration. Remove mineral spots with a 1 white vinegar and water spray solution, then rinse. For tougher rust specks, use a nylon pad in the grain direction only. Finish by polishing with a small amount of olive oil or specialized stainless polish on a microfiber cloth. Buff until the surface shows an even satin shine. Do not place cast iron pans or harsh chemicals directly on the sink surface. Those items can cause pitting, rust transfer, and permanent stains. Use a sink grid or rubber mat to protect from heavy pots and utensils. Avoid prolonged contact with bleach, oven cleaner, or concentrated acids to prevent damage. Dry the sink after use and perform a weekly polish with oil or a stainless cleaner. Regular preventive care keeps the finish bright and reduces the need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.